Hi, I'm Roger with Guaranty. Today we're in Grand Ron Spirit Mountain Casino and we're looking at a 2018 Greyhawk 29 MV single slide Class C. Let's take a look at the outside of this. It's really a nice rig. It's on the E450 chassis with the Ford V10. We've got the big mirrors with the side cameras built in. Keyless entry. Love that feature, especially in a Class C. Automatic awning. Oh, gotta look at this front cap. This is all one piece, no seams here. So you're not gonna have a potential for leaks through this front cap. It's all one piece. A lot of storage down the side. Here's our propane tank, easy to get to, easy to see. Another nice storage area. Another nice storage area. Like this one too. That shelf will fold up, give you a large storage area there. Ladder to get up. Analyze your roof, make sure everything's okay. LED lights, they should last a very long time. You're not going to be changing bulbs very often. We've got the 5,000-pound tow hitch on the back here. Another nice storage area. We've got the black tank flush out system. Get rid of any solid waste contamination left in the tank after you've dumped. We've got the outside shower for cleaning up, cleaning out the hoses, etc. We've got a lot more storage underneath through here. We've got our Onan 4,000 watt generator. It's going to power this coach up quite nicely. Let's go inside and take a look at the inside. It's just as impressive as the outside. Large front, queen size overhead bunk. A lot of counter space with a counter extension. Great kitchen storage. We've got the microwave and the oven. On the driver's side, we've got the sofa, makes into a bed. We've got the Dream Dinette booth, makes into a bed. Notice the lack of carpeting. I love how the industry's kind of got away from the carpeting in the RVs. Big shower. And our potty room. Now the potty door also acts as our barrier to give privacy for the shower. And then we have an accordion door in our bedroom. So we've got even more privacy. And easy to store. Back here we've got our fantastic fan control, nice and low for us slightly shorter people. We don't have to try to reach up to the ceiling. Look at that closet. That could almost be a spare bedroom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers. Great storage. They didn't even miss a trick there. They put storage behind the TV. Love the new flat panel TVs. And then we can get to our outside storage from inside or outside. And this is a used coach, 29 MV by Greyhawk, Jayco. It's got automatic hydraulic leveling. It's on the J-Ride Plus, which is a really nice way of making the ride system work great. Again, I'm Roger with Guaranty. Today, we're in Grand Ron. Thank you. Have a nice day.